Okay, how to do it? Quite simple. You have these dots here on your Gmail account. Click here, come to calendar, click on calendar. When you click on calendar, you come to this page. You can see here, this is the page. In that, you have on the left hand top side, you have this option called create. When you click on create, you will come to this screen. So the one that is open here on front of me, on my screen in front of me, this is the screen. You put the title, so you need to put the designation and first round, second round, like that. Here you add guests. Remember, whenever you add guests, you need to invite everybody who's required for the interview, including the candidate and the recruiters. You can mark optional. So you see there is an option in front of the name. So when you click on that, you can select who is required, who's not required. So here I have selected who are optional and who are mandatory. Okay, you can see that. Then you have, if you scroll down, there's nothing that you need to do. Just scroll down, and then you have here after location, you have an option called add description. So when you click on add description, you need to paste the message. So this is a standard message. Just need to select and change this. First round, second interview, third interview, like that. And then your name, company name, and then you click on attachment. So at the end, you have add attachment option. Select the resume. How do you select resume? Simple. When you click on attachment, you have to click on upload. Either you can drag and drop file here, or you need to click on select file, select the CV, open, and then click on. So once you upload the file here, you will have an option called upload instead of select. So for example, I'll show you. Okay, when I have this file here, you have to click on upload. When I upload the profile, it will get added. I will show you. This is a sample thing that I'm trying to show you. I've already uploaded the resume. So if you see here, see there are two CVs attached. So I don't want this. I've cancelled it. So this is the CV. Rest everything remains as it is. Save. When you click on save, it asks you whether you want to send this invitation. You send. Now it will ask you one more option. So there are some people who may not have access. So you want to give them access to view or edit. There are 4 people. You can click on edit. You can click on view. I usually do edit so that they can download it. View will give them option only to view the CV. If you don't get that, and if you still feel when you click on invite you're getting some error, you can just send it by keeping the option as view. Please go back and cross check that the invite is sent appropriately. Now what has happened here is I have done some mistake because I was trying to show you. So we did not change anything here. I just tried showing you how to do it. We need to change the timing. So if you want to edit something, okay, go back here and we need to change the date. I missed that. Okay, yeah, so we want it on specific time and we want to have it on 27th. We want to have it at 3 p.m. So just select 3 p.m. on Monday and save. You can say sorry, missed to select time and date, and back to editing. We can do this as updated so that it can be easy to identify. Missed date and time. Okay, we are done, and then send. Okay, go back, check the calendar. Okay, we had sent it from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This can happen. Okay, so this is giving me a time. Automatically it is considering a time. But anyways, so this is the latest one. Finally, we have sent this invite and we are done. Boom. Set your next invite by yourself. Try, do some sample. You can send some sample invites to me. Thank you.